Kena. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you joining my presentation today. My name is Yunadis Pamaningrum for Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University Muhammadiyah of Surakarta. Today I will present with the topic Application of Digital Comic to Increase Student Learning Motivation and Learning Pancasila and Citizenship Education. Table of content, number 1, introduction, number 2, result and method, number 3, result and discussion, and number 5, conclusion. And the fourth, introduction. National education aims to increase in the national life, shape character, and develop the potential of students to become individuals who are valued, knowledgeable, creative, independent, and responsible as democratic citizens. One aspect of the development of the character and the moral value of the Indonesian national is through and the learning of Pancasila and citizenship education. Pancasila and citizenship education imperative interesting student understanding of Pancasila value. However, in practice, learning Pancasila and citizenship education is often faced with challenge. This lack occur because teacher only as book as the main course in delivering material. Teacher them to be monotone in the teaching. Teacher do not make good as of interesting facility and learning is less interesting due limited access to education. The need to change component in the learning process adjusts to the development of the modern technology era in learning Pancasila and citizenship education in elementary school. The application of digital media has influence on learning that is far more interactive, bringing innovation of student involvement and maximal and the learning goals and will be achieved. Digital or technology-based learning media make student activity participant and encourage students to show their creativity and opinions. Therefore, this research aims to find out learning process on of Pancasila and citizenship education and the application of digital comic to student learning motivation and learning Pancasila and citizenship education and Pancasila value material, as well as to find out the obstacles and solution of digital comic. And then number 2, research and method. These students ask the descriptive qualitative research type and the with a case study research design. This research has conducted as Kelandungan Tunggal Set Elementary School. The object of the research is to identify the application of digital comic in the interesting student learning motivation in learning Pancasila and citizenship education. The research subject of the principal, class teacher, and 5th grade student, totaling 25 students. Data collection technical include interview, observation, and documentation. The data analysis technique of this study as data analysis formulas and Huberman, which includes data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion draw data verification. And then number 3, result and discussion. The learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education, the application of digital comic and the learning of Pancasila citizenship education, and obstacles and solution in the application of digital comic in the learning of Pancasila and citizenship education. Number 1, learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education. The learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education. Pancasila value material in Kelandungan 2 State Elementary School conditionally using teacher and strategy then usually does not support the learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education. Several steps then teacher need to improve in the learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education that cause student and lack enthusiasm and motivation for student learning caused by factor from student and limited access for teacher who only provide their teaching modules daily learning. After that, the teacher conduct as evaluation after learning and evaluation of the learning can be changed by the application of the technology so that learning run effective to increase student learning motivation. One of six principles of learning student motivation. Students who are interested in its material this interest will achieve and motivation them to study in more deeply. And two, application of digital comic and Pancasila and citizenship education learning. The use of digital comic learning Pancasila education and citizenship Pancasila value material in Klandungan 2 State Elementary School has proven to be effective in interesting student enthusiasm, responsive, and motivation to learn. With attractive visual display and easy to understand storyline, digital comic help students understand the meaning of Pancasila value in context of daily life. The use of technology is learning also support teaching is creating and conductive classroom and increasing student active and independent in learning. In addition, this digital comic-based learning provider Hacker Learning Certification comparison to conventional method with the complaint of the suitability of digital comic in indicator with include presentation, illustration, story, and display. Presentation with this red professional in digital comic is a great demand by student. And number three, obstacle and solution in the application of digital comic in learning Pancasila and citizenship education. That the application of digital comic in the learning of Pancasila education and citizenship Pancasila value material in Klandungan to public elementary school requires proficient education so that the application of digital comic can be optimal. The change is using it steadily of some students to like laterally and focus more on impact with understanding the meaning container in them. So that student learning motivation in learning Pancasila citizenship education has not run optimally to overcome the limitation of teacher access to technology. Teacher at Klandungan 2 State Elementary School conduct teacher training so that teacher be to get us to us it and do not resume learning time to prepare it before learning. Teacher routinely evaluation several students who need guidance in understanding the material so on digital comic. Teacher need rigorous learning strategy in application of digital comic to increase students' learning motivation in learning Pancasila and citizenship education. And method just to deliver the subject matter in specific teaching environment, which include and the nature, scope, and squads of activity that can provide the learning experience to students. This helps students in retrieving information from a learning process. And then conclusion, the learning process at Klandungan 2 Ngabal Set Elementary School that the lack of enthusiasm and motivation for learning to learn Pancasila and citizenship education can be caused by internal student factor and limited access to teacher who only as teaching module. Teacher apply digital comic in the learning process of Pancasila and citizenship education. The use of digital comic has proven to be effective and in increasing student enthusiasm, responsive, and motivation to learn with activity, visual display, and easy to understand storyline. This media helps students understanding the value of Pancasila daily life and create more conductive, active, and independent classroom. However, the application of digital comic requires proficient education so that their use is optimal. The change that is still first in below laterally of something student will focus more on picture than understanding the meaning container so that learning motivation has run optimally. Therefore, recommendation for education development adapt to the development of modern technology, and additional strategies are needed to increase the effectiveness of digital comic-based learning in learning Pancasila education and good citizenship in the future. Okay, thank you for accompanying me and this presentation. I hope to get information and positive impact from this research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.